Alright guys, so today we finally drop off Maggie's Challenger. As you guys been seeing since we got here to the freeway, leaving the house, driving all the way back to Porterville, but she's finally getting her car back after just a little over a month of putting everything, the air suspension, the epoxy floor, the VIP trays, all that stuff. It's said and done, and we're gonna get some B-rolls of her and all that stuff and see what she thinks about the car.